We just remove that old battery connections first. I remove um, the negative first and then positive. Just take it out. That's it. And then before that I remove those clutch. This, it was connected here. Just unscrew this and take it out. Now as this is plus, so you have to make sure that you put the right direction. So this is now plus. We put plus up here. You have to connect plus first when you connect, and then the negative one. You have to make sure you tighten the screw properly, not too much tight, then but not loose at all. Now the minus one, it may spark. Tighten the screw properly. We tighten it very properly, not loose at all. Once done, put this back. Just make sure it's really tight so the battery doesn't move when you drive. That's it, all done. Perfect. Before installing the new battery, always make sure you take out the plug, this plug in the transportation plug. You just take out the plugs from here, and some batteries got two plugs, some battery got one plug. You have to take the battery out, the plug out before you install the battery. Thank you for watching.